Hello, my great friends. I hope you are enjoying the bull run in the market. Friends, let us see today in the share market SMS what is in store for us. But before that, I welcome you all to this presentation. Friends, today's topic is Ye Dil Mange More. What exactly I want to say about this, let us just go into the little video today. In share market SMS, friends, today we will be talking of IRCTC. Now, this is actually one of the most important, the recent IPO that had come, I think, around 6-7 months back. And it is actually a landmark project of Government of India because now many changes and reforms are taking place in the railway sector. So the results of IRCTC this time, although the brokerages said that they were not up to they were up to the expectation, but I think results were not really very good, and we know that why the results of IRCTC were not up to the mark. And incidentally, the share is still moving up. So that is good luck in the bull run. The share is going up. Friends, let us see, this IRCTC, in how many segments actually this IRCTC operates. Friends, the IRCTC segment wise, it operates in catering, that is supplying food, etc. in the trains. Then Rail Neer is the water. And internet ticketing is also there. 13% contribution it has, and 13% contribution comes from tourism and state Tirath, the special trains. It contributes 10% to the total income of IRCTC. Friends, as you know very well, the catering actually contributes a maximum here, and the catering nowadays for the last about since March, this catering actually is not taking place, and the passengers are required to bring their own food. So what is actually is at present happening is a little bit of Rail Neer and internet ticketing only is taking place. Rest all the services, or the cocktail, I call it cocktail of IRCTC. In the cocktail, it is only the internet ticketing by and large which is going on. And this is actually the entire business actually of IRCTC is a monopoly business. There are virtually no competition attached with it. And this is actually again coming. Friends, let us examine the parameters, fundamental checks on IRCTC. So we have seen 1920, 2021, and this is the forecast. And this is also almost like a forecast only because only one quarter has gone. Now the face value of the share is 10 rupees. There is no doubt about it. Friends, this IRCTC, the book value, has been actually increasing. This is actually a silver lining, I call it. It appears that this year also the book value is likely to be good. And book value will be good basically because, it's a government company. There are virtually no debts. So this is increasing, and price to book value is 16.58. Well, industrial was not available here anywhere so far. Therefore, I have not been able to give price to book value of the total industry as such. And let us check, on now industrial P ratio here is 30.56, whereas in 1920 it was 37.1, and right now it is 109. Now, if you say the industrial P is 30, then you see this year actually may not be very purposeful year, because the forecast actually is very high. But the return on equity, you see, it is 44. For last year was 44.1. Now it has gone down to 14.4. But the forecast, for the next year is 49.3, which is very, very, I must say, encouraging. From 14, it is almost going, return on equity is going almost 49. And I was working out, friends, the what I say is the value you see on the 22 March, it is coming to be 981 as per my estimates. It is a debt-free company. It is a government setup, so it is debt-free company. and even EPS, from 33 last year, it is 12.6, and 52 is forecast for the next year. So friends, this year actually you see it appears to be a little dicey. We have to check, that how the railways actually start operations. Once the full operations are restored, maybe that these figures will also change, because right now these figures are only the forecasting, more like forecasting. Then EBITDA margin 7134 million to 2252. It has gone down, but it will go almost 5 times in the next year. So friends, this year again, this is going to be down, and sales also is going to be down. We have already lost one quarter here. From 22,755 million rupees, it is now projected figures are 2021 are 9562 million, but 21-22 is going to be a very, very terrific, sales for ticketing and entire IRCTC. So the growth actually is almost about, say, 3.5 times here. Friends, the net income, if you see, is 5286 million. It has virtually halved forecast, but it is 4 times as far as the next year is concerned. So friends, what do we say now? Now actually, if you see this year, actually the 2021, which is the current year running, it is not showing very encouraging signs. However, the share actually is really moving up. So my own assumption, friends, is that 21-22, not this year, 21-22, year actually this will be a excellent year. Fine. So now the question is that should we play 20-20 like match in this, or should we play like a 5-day match? So my own assumption, friends, is that it is not a 20-20 match. So let's see now that I call this IRCTC, this year actually not performing very good, but kya Tiger zinda hai? This is going to be like that. And say for example, I will say yes, Tiger is zinda. And as far as the long-term investment, friends, in this is concerned, I think at present it is a real question mark, because till actually the share starts performing, we should not take a long-term view on this. That is actually my view on this, that long-term investment actually can be postponed for a while till we see the performance. Yes, SIP can be done every time there is a fall in the price. Depending upon your capacity to take, you can purchase in small quantities and build up your portfolio. That is what I believe. So that will be a good strategy, maybe once in 3 months time, once in 4 months time. But friends, at the same time, if 2 quarters the results are bad, please stop it. There is no point in continuing with that. So let's see actually what happens, but at present I feel the SIP can definitely be done. Can swing trading be done? I say yes. It is a real candidate for intraday trading and also for the swing trading. Intraday trading, I say, when the signal comes, then you buy, signal comes, when you sell. So it is a buy sell signal. And swing trading you can do, you can go to charting.com, and from there you can take a reference for a swing trading, when to buy and when to sell on the crossovers. Fine. Friends, I really thank you very much. You have been with me, and one thing I will once again conclude, that this cocktail company, at present doesn't have the right mix of cocktail going around. It is only one thing that is going on, that is the railway is running. Only the ticketing part of it is being there. Rest of the activities are basically at the standstill. So you have to take a decision with your broker whether you should do SIP in this, you should do investment in this, or you should trade with it. See, don't believe on me even. I say you basically understand the fact that you have to take your own decision. Share is not bad. Today it is not performing very well, but it is definitely a future stock. और एक दिन आएगा जब टाइगर भागेगा और जो आपका दिल चाहता है उस दिल को ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Friends, thank you very much and have a nice day.